Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June 9th, 2023. Here to talk about Polygon or MATIC today because in the lawsuit that the SEC has against Binance, they're trying to say that Polygon or MATIC is an security. That's what they're trying to say. And could that be the reason why the market in MATIC, since my last video, has gone down in price? Because a lot of people are scared because if the SEC considers Polygon MATIC a security, then that means that it falls under the authority and regulation of the SEC. Let's talk about it. You guys can see right here is an article that I just pulled up recently from Blockworks. The SEC says these crypto assets are securities. They go on to say in this article that their reasoning is wrong. Now, here it is right here. In the Coinbase lawsuit, the SEC claims that the following tokens are securities: ADA, Chili, Solana, Axis, Filecoin, ICP. There it is right there, MATIC. I think I said Binance, the lawsuit against Coinbase, okay? MATIC right there is considered an security. And off of this lawsuit against Coinbase, take a look. The price action hasn't been good. And if that's the case, maybe we should not be looking forward to MATIC going higher. If we're going to have this increased volatility and uncertainty into determining whether or not MATIC is a security or not, we could see a continuation of move up lower prices for this coin. Yes, I'm admitted. You guys can see it already visually that my price prediction was not right. It was not correct. And in order for us to learn and become more proficient at predicting price action, do you see at what point you should have let this particular price prediction go? If you say right here, you are correct. Once we saw this day occur, this price action on June the 5th, 2023, once we received this weakness, price has broken our trend line. That was a dead giveaway that you wanted to let the play go. Rather than you being down right now in Polygon 12.79%, if you would have exited out your position on the close of June the 5th, that loss would have been minimized to only 7%. This is how you're able to move on and play in the game tomorrow or the next day. Is because you're reading the markets. You need to read both sides as well. Not only when to exit out a profitable position, but also when to leave a losing one. So this is just another example of when you should have let the play go rather than staying in and wishing and hoping and waiting for the price to come back up to your price target area. It didn't work out. So let's go ahead and get rid of this first, okay? So yeah, this price prediction didn't go correct. So what we're going to do here, I'm zooming out the chart because I really want you all to see, okay, what type of trend are we really following in Polygon or MATIC? What trend are we really on it? Because currently you guys can see it here that we are following a downtrend. This particular market in Polygon is definitely trending down. It's definitely weak. And this is a pretty steep slope. Like, look at how swift this move in Polygon has been. Now we may possibly see a pause in this movement to the downside. Let me show you why I'm saying that. It's because looking here, we have noticed and recognized that there are buyers in the market in Polygon right around here. Okay, so a decision is about to be made in Polygon. That's going to tell us whether or not the market is going to bounce off of this area of support of around like 73 cents and break out and continue to consolidate. So let's say, let me give you an example. Okay, if we're going to look for the market in Polygon to come and hold support at 74 cents, then that means that we want to see the market in Polygon continue to do this. It's going to consolidate then, which tells us that in the longer term, the price action is going to try to continue to move up. Okay, if it doesn't hold 74 cents, then we're going to continue to see the price in Polygon continue to go down. Those are the only two outcomes that we're currently seeing on the charts right now in Polygon. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. Okay, so as long as the price in Polygon stays below this downtrend line, then we already know that the general price action is going to be lower. We need to wait and see over the next couple of days if we're going to maintain and hold what we're currently getting into the market now in Polygon. So right here on June the 7th, we got some weakness, right? The market ended the day on the low, but the following day the market ended up higher, and we're still seeing some strength to the market now in Polygon. So what this is telling me is telling me that yes, what we suspected the market in Polygon coming in and trying to hold support, just like it did here all the way back to July 2022. They're trying it again. The buyers are. They're trying to hold this price area now, which is not a bad thing. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean that we're going to see the market run back up to $1 or $1.20. It just simply means that we're doing a pause, that the market buyers are entering the market again right now. Okay. Now, here it is on the 2-day chart. Okay. So from a 2-day chart, this market is not bullish at all. Okay. We got the prior 2-day price bars. We got those indicators of weakness right here. So that tells us that this market is still weak. We're in the initial stages now of seeing buyers enter in. Polygon on the 3-day. Here's Polygon on the 5. Okay. In the next 13 hours, you guys can see right there on the right. If we see the market Polygon close on the low of this 5-day price bar, then we have to suspect that this support area, which we've just created, that is not going to hold. And that the next area of support into the market in Polygon, it may even come down to 70, all the way back down to 60 cents in the grand scheme of things. Okay, so as we continue to look at the market price action going forward, we may have to lower this horizontal line. Got it? So let me look at this on the hourly chart first. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. Okay, you guys can see, I think there is going to be a small move to the upside in Polygon because we're definitely seeing the buyers coming through right now. Okay, we're going to see this market try to inch higher, may hit 80 cents, all the way back up here towards 82.5, and then begin to come back down. Or price can run to 80, get some selling there, run back up to 82, and then eventually try to hit 84 cents and then begin to come back down. Okay, so let's see, we have it on the 11 hours, see what we're working with. Yeah, so this market is kind of bullish on the hourly chart. It is. So we're going to play some strength into the market in Polygon. Let's say that it hits to the 84 cent. What would it be? So that's only 7.25%. For hit to hit 83.5, that's around 6%. So like I said, I'm not going to be massively bullish right now, but I am going to play some strength off of this current price action into the market in Polygon. Okay. So the first target, let me go ahead and put this on the chart for Polygon. Okay, we're going to put this on the hourly chart just so we can get some aspects of time frame. 80 cents is going to be first. Okay, that's only 1.6%. Like, we got to chill out. This overall market is not bullish. We're still trending lower. So we should not be overly ecstatic and expect that the market price action in Polygon is going to moon. Okay, so that's the first one. My second target is going to be up here towards 82.5, which is only 4.66%. And then my third one, let's say there's enough juice into the market in Polygon, will be around 84 cents, 6.69% profit run there. Now, I'm not really looking for the market to hit that third target just yet, but maybe over the weekend we might see that happen. Okay, so I'm going to hold this area down here as well as support, as long as Polygon's price holds this support area of around 73.5, we're going to look for the market to go higher. Okay, that's it. I am done. Everyone, go ahead and give me your thoughts, your price prediction into the market in Polygon, and let me know, how do you see this market moving? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.